I've installed a second instant gas hot water system. We now have a hot and cold feed for the washing machine, and we're ready to start working on the shower. I started by welding in the roof strut, and then I cabled in the main supply for the washing machine. I cut two 15cm lengths of box section. This will hold the hot water system off the wall. I used a welder's magnet to hold them in place, and then I put in a couple of small bead welds. I cut a hole for the exhaust vent pipe with the angle grinder, and I finished the edges with spray paint. I installed a vent pipe, and then I used high temperature silicone to put a weatherproof seal around it. This is the bottom of the hot water system. There are three inputs. One's gas input, one's cold input, and the other's hot output. There's a little plastic cover that takes two D-size batteries for lighting the igniters. The top just has an exhaust outlet. I'm going to mount my pipes on the inside. I've got some 5mm screws, so I drilled a 4.5mm pilot hole and then followed it through with a 5mm tap. Here are two pipe supports in place. This was the support screws from the outside, so I just put a blob of silicone over the top and then I put a coat of paint over that. This is the outlet for the washing machine. We've got a cold feed coming in and then the gas bottle. Cold comes into the bottom pipe and goes off to the right for the washing machine and to the left for the shower. It feeds the gas hot water system, and the hot water system feeds down into the hot tap. That's the exhaust vent for the hot water system, and there's power for the washing machine. The gas bottle is freestanding inside at the moment, however I intend to move it outside the container. I added two extra 50mm brackets and a metal plate to keep the heat off the wall. So here's the bracket and the plate, and I've finally got the vent pipe fitted. Early in the project we had little or no water. For washing we had to buy a twin tub, which uses considerably less water than an automatic. This was a shame because we had a beautiful automatic sat next to it. We appreciated it in the beginning, but we were pleased when we got enough water to run the regular automatic. This is its maiden wash with its own hot and cold supply. If you're enjoying these videos, you can see the entire project from start to where we are now at www.containerhouse.wordpress.com.